My man. Are we recording?
Yeah,
We're recording right
I
now?
want to see the house tour.
Right now.
Yeah, right now.
All right, it's kind of bad timing, but I'm not going to leave you guys outside. See, my house is kind of a mess right now, but it's because I got kids and responsibilities. So we're going to have to postpone that house tour. I'm not going to leave you hanging though. Come with me. One thing that's always on point is my bedroom. And that's because there's certain things in my bedroom that honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I could not live without these things in my bedroom. So I am gonna show you my bedroom, and I'm gonna show you 7 things that I believe every dude needs to have in here. Come here. The number one thing, I use this so much, and I recommend this to anybody that's a watch lover, right here. A watch winding case. Especially if your watches are automatic, you're gonna want something that keeps them wound all the time so you don't have to be setting them. But more importantly, it's a good way to prevent them from being scratched. Now, this used to be mine, but when you get married, everything's ours now, and my wife kind of took a slot. But yes, this thing, lifesaver. Keeps my watches wound, looks sleek, and keeps them protected. But let's go over here. You want something a little bit more affordable, something that's gonna level up your room without spending a lot of money? Right here. Right here. My current reading stack. These are the most recent books that we have purchased between me and my wife. We have this technique where I buy a book for 1 month, she buys a book for the next month, and we're consistently just building up our knowledge. Emotional Intelligence, The Storyteller's Secret, Can't Hurt Me. Like, all these books have values of wealth. Here's the interesting part. Books, they're affordable. Anybody can buy them. But what people don't realize is having a stack of books in your bedroom, not only will it help you sleep at night, you bring someone over, do you know what that speaks of you? Volumes. That's what it says about you. This man, he's an intellectual. But let's keep it going. Actually, we don't have to go too far. Right here, a speaker. You need a speaker in your bedroom. It sets the mood. Whether you're just chilling at night, you want to go to sleep comfortably, you put on rain sounds. You brought somebody over, you put a little bit of baby making music. See, my Kove Commuter 2, this thing's a game changer. Here's why I love this speaker. You want to see how cool this is? You break it, you put one side here, you get the other side, you say you put it in the other corner of the bedroom. Now you have legit surround sound in your bedroom. Talk about premium. What other speaker does it? And I'm such an OG to Kove that I have their first one. I got this one about 3 years ago. This thing's still undefeated. When they dropped their second one that split, yo, I had to cop one quick. And this is why I recommend this Kove Commuter to almost anybody. If you want a legit wireless speaker, something that's powerful, something that can fill up a whole room and that's unique, this is your go-to. Bro, for parties, you know how useful this is? And the cool thing with the Kove Commuter, and you can see it right here, it has a built-in subwoofer. So when the music's bumping and you have strong bass coming out, this is the type of speaker that's gonna deliver. The cool thing with Kove Commuter though, it's half the price. It's actually a quarter of the price from most high-end speakers. If you want a legit speaker, you're paying $200-300. You'll pay a quarter of that for this, and it sounds way better than the high-end stuff. And trust me, I would know, because I've gone through speakers like crazy. If you guys want to check out the Kove Commuter, I'm going to have it linked down below. And there is a bedroom special. If you want to level up your bedroom, you want to set the mood right every single time, Kove is hooking you up. There's a special link down below that already makes this crazy affordable speaker even more affordable. Like, this is a complete steal. I want you guys to check it out. Click the link down below. Use that discount code. It is while supplies last. These things tend to sell out fast because they're that dope. So let's keep it rolling though. This right here, it's so simple. It's an EDC tray or an everyday carry tray. You can buy this thing off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. This is a wooden one, but I cannot tell you how many times I lose my keys or my everyday carry. So my keys, my wallet, every day I come from home and I just drop it there. And I have my daily essentials, quick and easy access. My pocket knife, my watch, my shoehorn, and my keys in my wallet. The cool thing here is that not only is it organized, but you always know where you left it. This is a great way to make your mornings efficient where you don't have to be looking for your stuff. You know where it is and it looks good. Number 5, this is for special occasions. This is when I really want to set the mood. I combine this with the speaker. Let's just say your boy's having fun. I'm just playing. First of all, this smells amazing. Oh my God. Just having something that's the same way that you smelling good feels good, your room smelling good, it's like a mindset shift. So yes, a candle, something sexy, looks good. And here's the cool part. We're actually working on something different. I want to make like an oil diffuser that looks aesthetic, that actually levels up your bedroom while also making it look good. And there's a sample that we have in our office, which I'm going to insert B-roll here. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys prefer seeing something like that or a candle? I'm curious to know. But yes, something that makes your room smell good, undefeated. Come with me. This number 6, not gonna lie, it's like a women's purchase, but low-key as a dude, like, I love this thing. A full-length mirror. Something that you can completely see your fit. Because see, a lot of times, you think in your head, yo, that's gonna be a fire fit. Then you throw it on, you look like a walking street light. This is like the great equalizer. This is like the great humbler. That's what I like to call it. You look in the mirror, you're like, yo, yeah, we're gonna need a change. Or, god damn, my dude, we're getting compliments today. See, the mirror, it could boost your confidence. It tells you if you look good or not. A full-length mirror, it is undefeated and needed in every bedroom. And finally, we're going to the essential that most men forget about, but once you get to a certain age, you learn to appreciate. This right here. The baby maker. The mattress itself. See, boys, your boy's sleeping 6 hours a day. You better believe that I want those hours to be uninterrupted and deep as hell. So yes, I invest in my mattress. Because at the end of the day, I'm gonna spend about a third of my life on this thing. If you really put it into perspective, you spend more time on here than in your car. So yes, you should invest heavy on your mattress into something comfortable that suits you, that's gonna help you sleep right. Boys, I know that wasn't a home tour, but this is where I spend most of my time anyways when I am at home, in this room, and these are the 7 things that I personally could never live without. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out that Cove Commuter. They have an insane discount going on just for you guys. That's it for me today. See you next time.